Hey guys, so one add-on to that, one additional point about that last video about the power of add-ons. This is from the company perspective. Let's look at the employee perspective, how that affects them, and how you can turn your employees, your team members, into salespeople to increase your profitability. Because with P4P, they're basically an owner of the business, and they're getting a percentage of the revenue. So the more revenue they're able to generate in the same time, the more money they're going to make. So that's how we need to approach this with our team members. So I just went over this example. I won't go over it again. You guys can look back at that previous video and check that out. It's only about a 5-minute video. But let's look at this from the perspective of the team members. So I just changed this to our numbers just to kind of make it more accurate for what it would be for our business. But for this customer, if we're involved in 50 minutes mowing, our price would be about $54 for that cut. Our P4P percentage for mowing right now is 26%. So that would be a total of $14.04 that the employee would make for cutting that lawn. If you put that out to an hourly rate, that would be $18.72 per hour that they would be making for that. Let's look what happens if we're also spot spraying for that customer as well while we're there mowing. We're spraying the beds, or it could be the other things. We're picking up poop. We're doing any of those other little simple add-on services. They're going to get the same 26%, so they're going to make an extra $3.09 for that extra 10 minutes of work. If you converted that into an hourly rate, that would be $23.40 per hour. So that you can see that during that time doing that add-on, the employee is making about $5 more per hour. So, if the employee is able to, even spot spray half of the customers that they're mowing that day, or upsell that many customers on this extra service, it's going to significantly increase the amount of money that they're going to make during the day. They might, like I said, they might literally make an extra $1, $2, $3 per hour. So talking about it in these terms is a good way to incentivize your employees to upsell for you. We're actually making door hangers right now that are customized for each employee. It has a little biography of the employee, telling a little bit about them. And it also says, hey, this is Michael. I was at your property today, and I noticed that you could use the following services. And it has our services listed below, and it has a place where they can write the price for that add-on service. So it's just another way that we can help the employees to become salespeople, because what benefits us also benefits them, and we need to educate them and show them things like this so that they understand that. But thanks for watching. Please post any comments below.